Do you need help?
Help.
Bring me the box.
Yes. What's the name?
Mm-hmm. What does the name say?
The name Luke. L-U-K-E. Luke.
L-U-K-E. Luke.
Yes.
Do you know who this is from? This is from Aunt Janet.
And Disney.
Yes, Aunt Janet. Okay, Buggy.
Mom.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
Wait. Mom, like that. Mickey?
It's Mickey?
Yes. Mom, and Mickey.
It's Mickey?
Yes.
What does it do?
Wait. Mom.
There's two things?
Yes.
Wow. There's three things? Oh, boy. How many things is that?
4.
4?
Yes.
Oh, 5.
Yes.
What is that?
Brains.
Crayons?
Yes. My face.
And a fish? Oh, my goodness. What is that?
A bee.
A bee?
Yes. Not one.
What is that?
No.
Is it like Play-Doh?
Oh, that thing.
Okay, how many things is that? That's a whole lot, huh?
Yes. That's about. Mom, about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow.
Mom, a lot.
It's a lot.
Yes. Mom, open these.
You want to open that?
Yes.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. Okay, let me see it.
Uh-oh. Dido.
Thank you.
And then you.
It's a light.
Mine.
Yeah, it's a light. We'll use that tonight in your room, huh?
Mom, I see dog.
Yeah.
I see dog. Mom,
What?
a dog.
Yeah, I'll have to... Okay, well, we'll have to put batteries in that, okay?
Yes.
And then we have a...
Mom, I do this.
Yeah, downstairs, the batteries. And we have a book. What's
Yes.
in the box?
Mom,
Is a puzzle?
Mom, on there.
You want to open this?
Yes.
Well, we'll have to do this at the table tonight.
Mom,
Look, it's a puzzle of, what is that?
Owls.
Animals.
Yes. Mom,
What?
Grandpa. Mom, what's this?
The scissors? They're right here.
Where? Oh, there it is.
Oh, look, we get, that's a fish. Look at the fish. See it?
On that one?
Yeah, that one. Let me see it. This'll be fun.
Yes.
That'll be really fun to make, Bug. You want to do this tonight?
Yes.
Okay.
Mom, a pat. Mom, a pat.
Okay. Say, what do you say?
Cheese.
Say thank you, Aunt Janet.
This is Janet.
Say I love you.
Yeah, you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.